Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome and welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, commenting and liking this video. And if you are my day one, you guys know what it is, what it do. Welcome back, my loves, and thank you so much for all the love and the support that you've been showing me. It really means a lot to me. We are slowly growing, which I am here for it. Okay, like, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate you guys a lot. So in today's video, I am gonna do a quick face without the Lungile Tabete and Ayanda Tabete quick face box, or yeah. So we're gonna do a quick face. I'm still like waiting for them to replenish the dark shade, because the dark shade is out of stock and it's not even online, and I don't want to buy the kit in like separate things, because I actually want that thing as well, the box, the bag that comes with it. So yeah, today we're gonna do a quick face, and first we're gonna prep our skin. So I'm gonna use the Johnson & Johnson fresh, well, Johnson, not Johnson & Johnson, Johnson's fresh hydrating day cream. I've already put this on, but I then went out and I come back and I like took a nap for like 10 minutes. It didn't last long because I knew I needed to do this video. So it's for normal skin and I have dry skin, so let's see how this feels like on my skin. So this is gonna be a quick face. Chit get ready with me. It's gonna be a lot of things, you know, and unboxing new makeup as well, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot. I hope you guys are gonna love it and have fun while watching it. And I'm gonna go ahead and just a drop of this tissue oil, maybe a few drops. There we go. And I also put that into my skin. It smells so good. It's actually my first time trying this, because I bought 3 of them, like all 3 flavors from Pip, because people have been really saying like really good things about this tissue oil. So I want to see how it's gonna, and it's, we all know it's the winter season, so it's coming with skincare. So I just went and took out a few things that I'm gonna need, like my old makeup that I think I'm gonna use as well. So what I'm gonna do is open. So I bought a few stuff. I've already opened the box, and yeah, I've already opened the box and stuff. 2022 3rd month, the 10th. So I bought this on the 10th, and I bought all of this from the Edgar store because they had 70% on this brand, and this is everything that I got. So I got 2 lashes. This is in number 8 and this is in number 6. 2 lashes from Black Up. And I then bought the foundation, the full coverage foundation from them. This foundation, I like it, but it really does transfer. But I was like, for the price that it goes for, it's good coverage. I can always zhuzh it up with like a setting spray and a primer and all of that. And then I think I got 2 of these, and these are my favorite things. You guys, you know, I've been using this, and I've tried like other things. Well, not like a lot of them, but I tried a few things for my brows, but they're not really working out as good as this. So this is the Black Up. It's called the Matte Waterproof Brow Powder Gel. It comes with a brush. So I bought 2 of them in the color Gel 2. Don't know if you guys can see, but in the color Gel 2. So I got that, and I'm gonna use one now. So I'll take this one out and throw this away. So this is how it looks like, and you have the brush here, and then you have the products at the bottom. This is where you dip in here, and that's the product you're gonna use, or the pod. So yeah, I got that. I'm gonna use this one, and then I bought 2 concealers in shade number 5. It's NTC05. These ones, I'm gonna use one as well, and these ones are the no transfer concealer. So these ones are like this, and they have this applicator. That's the applicator. So I'm hoping they're not really dark, because I was really panicking when I was buying them. So I'm gonna use this. I also got 2 invisible brow fixer. So these I'm gonna use one. I'll just show you how it looks like. So this is like a clear brush. You know, when people like, it's more, I think it's more like for people that really have like I don't know if you have like hairy brows, but also I think it will work for me. It's like this. It's like a clear with the applicator like that, the wand like a mascara wand. So I'm gonna use this as well. And then I then took the matte no transfer liquid lip color. I think I'm gonna use this too. I got it in the color ML14. That's the color there. So let's see. I really like this color when I used to work for the brand. So I was like, if it's not broken, why fix it? So I'm gonna use that. And because my contour powder is actually broken, I'll show you my old one. So that's my contour. It's in the shade number 5. I was actually worried that I took something that's a lot darker, but it's a good thing it's the same, because I got this one in the same shade 5. It's the contour powder. I know I do say that I have a dry skin, which then I come and use a contour powder, but it's just to like, because I do have a cream contour as well. But yeah, that's how it looks like. That's the contour. So you see mine, I only have the darker shade. These 2 shades, it's broken, so that's why I got it. I'm not gonna use it now because honestly I don't really use the other parts, like the lighter parts. I use it every now and then, but yeah. And then I got this lipstick number 4. I thought I chose 14, but I chose 4, and I don't really like this shade because it has glitter on it, and it does give that tingly thing, you know, when a thing has glitter on it, it does give that tingly thing. So that's the shade. I got it in that shade. So it does have glitter on it. It's not a bad color, like, you know, so it's not bad, but I'm not a really fan of it. I might just give it away to my cousin or anyone. So yeah, I'm not a fan of that. I haven't applied it, so it's still hygienic. I can just give it away to someone who likes it. And then my favorite part, I went and I got new brushes, because you can never have too many brushes as a makeup artist. I mean, even if you are self-taught like me, you can never have enough brushes. I'll still get more, like if I want to, if they still have the brand. So I took I took two concealer brushes, right? Those are concealer brushes. I took two of these, and then I took the contouring one, because I also use it for foundation. I'll just take it out of the plastic so you guys can see, because the cream contour from Black Help has two sides. So you use this side for the darker side, which is for contouring, and this side for the lighter shade, which is for like highlighting. And then I went ahead and I also bought this one, which is a strobing brush, but I'm gonna use it for like, you know, setting my powder and putting my highlighter as well, because strobing is a highlighter. It's just a cream highlighter. And then I went and bought this one. I believe this is a crease brush. Yes, I got a crease brush. That's the crease brush. And yeah, the two that I got, I'm gonna only open one because the other one I'm not gonna use now, so I'm gonna use this one. So I'll open just one to show you guys. So that's the other one that I got. So yeah, let's get into this makeup look, okay? Because I feel like I've been showing you guys too much stuff, but I'm not really getting into the reason why we're here to do the quick face. So let's do that rather now. Oh, I actually forgot as well, I got myself this here from Real Technique. This is 210. That's the brush I got for myself as well. This is for blending. Yeah, this is for blending. So yeah, let's do the face. Obviously I am gonna brush my brows up. I don't really have like hair, so, and sorry if I look this direction, I have my mirror right here. I'm just gonna start with brows. I actually have another way that I actually do my face now, but I will do an updated let me know if you would like to do a 2022 updated makeup tutorial, or just an update on how I do my face now, what I start with and all of that, like on like a routine that I do. That's why I like this. It's precise, and you know, you can actually see what you are working with. I think that's why it's my favorite brow, because I use the essence. I also use the Maybelline one. This one I'm not a fan, so with this, let's see how that is like, because I'm worried that it might be too dark or too orange. Oh, the nice thing about a new brush, oh my gosh, so grand. I'm gonna see what I'm exactly doing. So I'm using the same concealer. You don't have to use a concealer, or if rather you have a concealer that's very close to your skin, you can use that, or better yet, you can use your your foundation. Your foundation can also conceal. That way you won't struggle with blending it into your skin if you use your foundation. That also could be. So I finished my brows off camera because my phone was overheating. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go into foundation and I am gonna contour later. Yeah, so I think that's gonna be better, I think. So I'm gonna mix with this. So this is the Revlon Candid and this is the Maybelline. I'm gonna mix those two together. Don't even know what the time is because apparently there's gonna be load shedding in my area, so I actually need to be fast. So we're gonna do foundation. Actually, before that, let me put this on. This is the Revlon Prime Plus. It's for perfecting and smooth. Yeah. Just to create a beautiful Karen dress. My makeup and my skin to glow a little more. Use a beauty blender to blend that. And I'm not gonna put and I'm not gonna use I'm not gonna use the foundation like close to my under eyes. I am just gonna put it everywhere else. I'm gonna put a concealer there because a foundation can be very drying to your skin under eyes, and under eyes can be very dry. Like that's why there's like an eye cream for under eyes. Remember, we are just doing a quick fix. And I'm just going in twice to the area that I feel like there's like blemishes, so just to hide that. And I am so sorry that I haven't been here like for like 2 weeks. I think that was the last time I uploaded, was 2 weeks. Today is Friday the 25th. Work has been hectic and not having like 2 days off a week anymore like normally we used to do. So now I'm just trying to squeeze myself into creating content and stuff. So that's why. It's the only reason why I haven't been on these YouTube streets for 2 weeks. And then I'm gonna take the concealer, I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. I'm gonna use the same piece to blend that in. I'm gonna use my concealer from LA Girl as well because I feel like that one is way thicker and has more coverage. And this black one, I just applied the blackout one because later on, because I feel like the blackout one is, I don't know, it's a bit lighter, like not as close to my skin, just to lighten up my under eyes. I don't know. I think also the trend of having like a very light foundation, concealer on your face is like fading away. Everyone now is into like very natural, subtle looks, even with concealers and things. So I'm gonna go in again with the black up concealer and see. They're very close to my skin tone, both of them, eh? Which is not a train smash, honestly. Go in with I'm gonna go with my translucent powder from Yardley. I'm just gonna suit my under eyes and my eyes and everywhere else that I put the concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face, but before that let me actually start contouring my face. Go ahead and use the powder all over my face. Just to suit my face everywhere else. Use the Revlon powder blush, very cherry. I'm gonna use my mascara from Maybelline. Black Up highlighter, Jenny Jenkins collab, and I'm gonna highlight my face with that. Actually, let's use the new brush for that. And then I'm gonna put that on my cupid balm. Lipstick, or for the lip, we are gonna use this. All right, I just put that on and we're almost done. Now I'm gonna put the brow fixer from Black Up. There you go. Thank you so much, my love, for watching this video. I hope you really do like it, and please subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. Tell a friend to come and watch us growing here and creating things that we'll love and all of that stuff in between. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video.